my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, today I have one of my favorite boxes of the month. It's the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar box. And this is a lifestyle subscription box by Izzy and Liv. It's a black owned company. And you're getting about 4 to 5 products inside this box every month. And this happens to be one of my favorite ones. I enjoy getting. They have so much unique items in this box that I really enjoy getting it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by today. If you enjoy subscription unboxings as well as you're a huge purse lover like myself, then this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell, and you'll be able to stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. And if you enjoyed today's content, feel free to go ahead and hit that like button and chat with me down in the comment section about the unboxing we're having today. So without further delay, let's get started into our box of the month. And guys, this box does cost $50 a month, and you can manage your subscription online and stop it or restart it or pause it however you need to. And this is my pay for box, so I actually do pay for this every month. So let's get into this box. So guys, when you first open it, this is what I see. So I give you a sneak peek. And guys, they stopped doing the little magazine booklet they had in there, and now you just get a card with the QR code on the back here so that you can review the products or what your other options could have been for the month. And that's just to save money, you know, with everything going up. Everything's costing a lot more, so everybody's kind of looking for ways to cut back on some of those items. So guys, the theme for this box is going to be Effortlessly Slay Edition. Not sure what that is. It says comfy is the new business wear, so Effortlessly Slay. So our first product out of our box here is going to be this hat here, and this hat came in 3 different options. And it's valued at $22. And it says no bad hair days satin lined hat. Oh, I did not realize that. Oh, it's because of this plastic. So the inside is satin lined, which is really good. And there's 3 options. I'm going to blow it up here on my iPad so you guys can see. So these are the 3 options that we could have got for the hat, and I have the light blue one. I would have rather had the darker color though, for being that it's fall. Just my personal preference. But this is valued at $22, and it says when it comes to our tresses, it ain't satin line. We don't want it. So meet your new baseball hat that's perfect for running errands and matching any outfit. I don't know about that. This doesn't match that many outfits for me. Just me personally, but that is the first item out of our box here. So let's move on to our second item in here. So the next thing I'm pulling out, we got some jewelry. So let's pop her open, and we have some earrings, guys. So this is the Culture Confidence 3-pack earring set. This is valued at $26, and it says when it comes to bling jewelry, we love have to have fun. Everything we do is filled with culture, confidence, and soul. Wear these earrings to accessorize any outfit or get ready to shine on them. You receive a 3-pack. So this was just the only option. There's no other options that's in here, but you do have the long earrings here that says culture. You have the studs that say soul, and you have confidence, which is written on these hoops that they have in here. So that's what that says, $26. This is cute. I like that. And let's see where our next item is out of here. So it looks like we have a bag of some sort. So let's pop this open. And it says it's a Crescent Stadium bag. So let's see what this looks like. So guys, this is our stadium bag that we were given. And let me take this out so you guys can see. So this is like a pastel kind of color here. And it does come with a strap. And it does have pockets on this side for you to stick stuff in. So if you do a lot of concerts and stuff, this could come in handy. I wish it wasn't this color though, because I do not like pastels. So let's see what other options this came in. So this is valued at $28, and it says clearly slaying crossbody crescent bag. It's a sleigh season and have the right handbag to make or break any look. This is the perfect bag to hold down all your essentials when you're having fun going to concerts around town. So on here you could have got 3 options: the purple, the teal color I have here, and it looks like a gold one. I wish I would have had that one. So that's not exactly my favorite. So this is valued at $28. I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't like the color. I will go to the next thing. Alright guys, so the next item in our box here looks like a clothing article. What do we have here? It's very bright. We have, move that out of here. These are leggings. Look at this. So up close they say beauty, strength, radiance, and they're very bright. They feel very soft though. So these leggings here, you could have got 1 of 4, and they're valued at $30. So I'm gonna just show you guys what the leggings look like there. It says these leggings are giving bold prints and vibrant colors. I definitely agree. This is very loud. It says rock them with your extended tees, dresses, skirts, or boots, depending upon your style. They're beautifully printed to match any outfit you want to pair them with. You receive 1 of 4 styles. Culture Confidence Blue. This one is Beauty and Strength and Radiance, and then there's Love, Peace, and Melanin, or Crown Queen. So again, those are the 4 options that I could have received, and the leggings should be in a size large because they normally do whatever your shirt is. So yes, medium large, that's perfect. So I love the color. But it screams more spring to me than anything. This box is like screaming like with a lot of bright colors like spring to me. Alright, so let's go to the next one. And the next thing is our shirt. So this is the last thing in the box here. And we always get a shirt and you put your size in when you actually sign up. So this is our shirt that we have here. This is a pretty long one too. A little bit longer than I would like probably, but it says on here vibe, beauty, soul, black girl, winning, health, what else, brown sugar. So a lot of little sayings in here, and it's a crew neck. So let's see what our other options could have been. Okay, so you only had 2 options, 1 of 2. So this tee is valued at $35, and it says culture queening all over. Get into this flowy extended tee that pairs perfect with leggings and accentuates your curves. And I'm going to show you guys the 2 options that we could have got. So this is the shirt. So it is a bit of a longer shirt, as you guys can see. I think I would like it a little bit shorter, but I mean you could tie it up or something at the bottom or tie it to the side and kind of make it a little fun, because I'm thinking maybe layering this, like have a little light black jacket, like a light black leather jacket on or something with this, and kind of tying it off to the side, maybe with some black leggings to kind of, because I feel like the shirt is loud, so you don't have to add anything loud to it. You kind of want to tone it down and let it kind of just set your outfit off since it's already bright and has a lot going on. Okay guys, so in review we got 5 things in this box. So we got the tee here, we have the hat, we have the leggings, we have the stadium bag, and we have the earring set here. So overall this is not my favorite box, to be quite honest with you. It's valued at $141 this month. The things probably individually are okay, but like I don't really care for the stadium bag because of the color, really. And then there's really, I don't really go to the stadium that much for concerts because I get annoyed with the people and they make me not enjoy myself. So I don't do too much of the stadium kind of concert thing. The hat, I'm not a hat wearer, so that's the only thing, you know. But I do like the tights. I just wished everything kind of matched a little bit better. Like, I can't wear this with this because it's just too loud. It's just too much going on. Individually, they're fine. So the best three things I probably like are the earrings, the tee, and the leggings this month. And I didn't care for the baseball hat, and I didn't care for the stadium bag. So these are the two things that I don't like. So not my most favorite box. In terms of the theme, I don't feel like this is like the Effortlessly Slay edition. I feel like, I don't know, it's just a lot going on in this box to me. I'm still trying to figure out the theme. It's more like comfy wear. They literally should have just put some slippers in here instead of the stadium bag. To me, it's just more like comfortable clothing for like a laid back and chill kind of day. But guys, this is my box this month. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about this month's box. But I really wasn't feeling it like that. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button. It would be much appreciated for this small channel. And guys, I will catch you next time. Have an awesome day. Stay blessed and see you on my next video. Bye.